Okay guys, some of the nail polishes that I'm going to be using are from this set right here that I recently got to try out, which you'll see me use a little bit later, but I just wanted to show you guys everything that comes in this set so you can see it comes with quite a few things, a lot of different nail polish colors. What I really liked about, there's a lot of nail polish colors. What I really liked about this set is that it comes with all of the like top coats and base coats. So it comes with a gloss top coat, a matte top coat, and that's the matte one, and it comes with the base coat, and this is also a nail dehydrator that it comes with. So it's pretty cool that it comes with all this. I was really wanted to try this, the liquid peel off tape. So you kind of put it around your cuticles to prevent any messes around there, and then it just peels off. So I was really excited to try that actually. And this primer it comes with also. And then also in the set, I'm not sure what these little things are for. I have no idea. I don't know what they're for. If anybody knows, please let me know. Um, but it also comes with this set of little glitter shimmery things, which is pretty cool because you can always use those on so many different looks. And then also, I think this is to kind of like rub on, like a shimmery foily effect to rub on the nails. I'm not sure. I haven't tried that yet, but yeah, I thought it was pretty cool that it comes with all of that, and it comes with all of these different color nail polishes as well. And as always, I will link everything that I use in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. So for this set, I used clear tips. Now, it's actually been a couple months since I've actually had my nails on, so I felt really rusty. It's much easier when I do them on a regular basis for sure, and it's a lot faster. So I actually bought these little nail decals. This made it so super easy to do, just like a design or something for Halloween. Like I was not about to try. I'm not a nail tech. I was not about to try to paint anything on my nails. So I figured I would just buy these, and they're super cheap and easy to use. Again, everything will be listed in the description box below. I'm still using my little $20 nail e-file, which still works great. And so right now I'm just gonna sand the part where the fake nail and my real nail kind of meet, and I just want it to be smooth, not like lift or anything. And also I file down my nail a little bit so it's not shiny. And I decided to go with a nude acrylic, even though this looks a little pink to me, but I decided to go with the nude acrylic that I had, and then I just put the clear on top. And this is the same little small brush that I've been using. It's like $7, super affordable. I'm applying a primer first to my nail bed, and then I'm going in with the nude acrylic. And this is where I felt a little rusty. I'm not good with colored acrylic to begin with, and then since I haven't did it in a while, it was it took a little while for me, and it looked a little lumpy and a little thick, and yeah, I kind of wanted to give up, but I just was hoping again that once I get down to shaping and filing, it'd all come together. So I did put the clear acrylic on top of the colored acrylic, and honestly I'm not sure why, because they were so thick that I had to kind of file them down, sand them down quite a bit, so I probably took that whole layer of clear acrylic off, honestly, but I just put it on anyways. So after I kind of go in with the regular file and shape them the way I want, I'm going to go back in with my e-file, and I'm just going to use the brown sanding band. I feel like I do the best with this one. It's easiest for me, I guess, and I feel like I'm not going to cut myself. Even though this time on my middle finger I did end up cutting myself. I told you I was rusty, so I never really cut myself, but this time I did. Didn't hurt, nothing too dramatic, but yeah, I just feel like I am less likely to cut myself with this, and it's just easier for me. And yeah, so I just use that, and about 5 hours later I finished filing them all down to at least a little bit thinner than what they were. I do like them really thin, and these were a little bit thick even at the end for me, but yeah, I just filed them down and make sure there was no lumps and anything like that. So now the fun part, the little decals, I guess. So you're supposed to soak them in water for like 30 seconds. So first you cut them out as close as possible to the actual design because you don't really want it to be too big, and you're supposed to soak them for 30 seconds, and it says you can apply a base coat, which they recommend, but you don't have to. So apply the base coat and then cure it, and I am going to use the one from the set that I showed in the beginning from Laguna Moon, and then I'm going to take the decal out of the water and then place it on my nail. Originally, I didn't think I was going to have enough room to do the actual writing, so I was just going to do that half of the face. But once I put it up toward to my nail, it actually all fit on there, so I was surprised that I was able to get it all on there since I do like my nails tapered at the end. So yeah, and you just push it down, and you want to make sure that it's completely stuck to your nail. And if any part is coming up, you want to try on the sides. If it's overlapping on the sides, you want to try to file it down a little bit if you can, because you don't want it to lift. So then I took the Laguna Moon top coat and then I applied it over the decal, and then I'm going to cure it right after just so it doesn't move or mess up. So I just cured it for 30 seconds, and I basically did each nail one by one just so I didn't mess them up doing them all first and then curing them all at the same time. And again, if the decal is a little bit sticking out even after it's cured, you definitely want to file all of the sides down, because if not, you're going to have it lifting, chance of it lifting. I mean, I've had mine on now for a little over a week and I have no issues whatsoever of any lifting or bubbling or anything like that. These are super easy to use, but yeah. So after I had all the decals on and clear top coat over them, I added this liquid peel tape off to around my cuticles, and it's you're supposed to let it air dry just because I felt like the decals, I just didn't want them just there and then nothing around. As you can see, like the top next to my cuticle, there's really just a clear space there, and it just looks like basically like a sticker on there. So I added this from the Laguna Moon set, the CL005 color, which is basically a red. I added a little bit of that as like blood spatters. I didn't want a lot. I just wanted it to kind of tie into the actual decal design. So I put a little bit of that and just used a regular toothbrush, and I actually wet the toothbrush with a little bit of alcohol just to make it a little bit the nail polish a little bit thinner, and then I kind of just use my finger to like splash it on there, I guess. And again, I didn't want thick, like really thick marks on there. I just wanted small, and so I just kind of did it around the edges a little bit, not too much. And yeah, I actually cured it after I was finished with this too.